Yes. Well, hello. Today it is Cheap and Cheerful Storage Day, and I'm doing this on the camera mics, so fingers crossed. So what we do is use jars. What was this one? I don't know. Oh, kimchi. Yeah, it's American black pepper. It contains JB Weld. What we do is, underneath shelves we put jars. What you need for this is a jar that you can put stuff in, screws to hold the lid to underneath the shelf, a drill, in this case a 3.5mm. Okay, hang on. Short interruption. Where was I? Yes. Drill. This is a 3.5mm, something like that. I've just got a pile of drills in the thing. So you drill 2 holes in the lid. Well, you would if there was any edge on the drill. What else have we got? I'm not grubbing around getting out my other drill bits. This is a set I've had for like 200 years. Let's try a 4.5. It's great when you try and do a demo of something and the drill won't go through a 1/16 of an inch. There we are, try again. Oh, that's it. Straight through the bench. And put one again in. Why 2, you say? Well, 2 is adequate for strength. And there we are. The screws go through like that. Make sure that the screws aren't longer than the thickness of your shelf. Very important, that. So what we do now is to take the sharp drill out. I have to sharpen that. And put in the screwdriver attachment. There we go. And now, so you see what we're doing, right? Screws, lid. Lid, screws. Right. I will now reposition the camera like that. And up, there we go. Right there, a bit more that way. Got my rubbish now. There we are. Put it next door to that Hayward's pickle. Yes. You take your drill. Easiest way is to start the screw is to hold it like this. There's method in my madness, I promise. Once you get them started, you're doing it with a hand drill, the old-fashioned jobby. You may like to drill pilot holes. There we go. It's that simple. I hope that came out. Let's telephoto up to it. You want something, you just go like that, and there it is. JB Weld. Put it back up. Now these tin lids are usually a 4 start. Here's another jar. Let's put it down. There we are. Back out a bit. Angle. So you can start them at any one of 4 positions. They're not a single thread. There's 4 threads actually. So it doesn't matter if you don't get this quite right. The label or whatever you have on here will show up well. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and now you know.